What's up, YouTube? It's Kenny again. Sitting here in Oklahoma, waiting to get part of this load off and then head to Missouri. Sorry I didn't make a video the last couple of days. Had some really stressful drama type stuff going on. Between a friend of mine and his girl, and just a lot of stuff I had to deal with, and I wasn't able to make a video. So here we are this morning, Monday. It's about 7:45. I wasn't able to get one done early. The market, guys, we're getting some good green movement in the pre-market. Pretty much everything in my list is green. That doesn't necessarily mean that the correction's over, but I'm hoping that it is, and we'll see what we get. Pre-market ZOM is up 10%. SENS up almost 6%. Workhorse up 2%. I did end up buying some Workhorse. I know I said I wasn't going to buy it, but if you saw the community post, you'll see that I did buy some. What was my cost basis? I want to say it was $15.40. I wasn't going to buy any, but I just couldn't pass it up in that big of a dip. I mean, I would have liked to have caught it a little lower, but $15.40, I feel like it was a really good price. I'm already up on it. I wish I would have caught that spike up to 19. I would have sold it, but I didn't catch it. I didn't see it. I think it was in the pre-market on Friday, but yeah, so everything's looking green, guys. I'm really hoping that the treasury bond yield has come down, so I'm hoping that maybe we get some push going forward. We got movement on the stimulus, even though it's not complete, and they're going to have to make some changes on it. We did get some movement on it. So fingers crossed that the market turns back around, guys. I don't really have a whole lot of news to talk about this morning. Being that it's Monday and we still don't know what's going to happen. The broader market could continue to correct, or we could trade sideways for a minute. But I mean, as of right now, it's looking like we're going to have a green day, but that doesn't necessarily mean that we're going to get back to where we were. That could take some time. I'm starting to I wish I could have bought some more Tesla in this big dip, but I'm starting to think I may hold on to what I've got for a while, even though it kind of takes up too much money in my account. I'm pretty comfortable with my cost basis, and like I've said before, if it comes up pretty good from where I bought it at $8.14, I may sell a couple of shares, but I'm gonna hold on to at least 3, and I may hold on to more. Now, because of time off and the way this dedicated stuff I'm doing now, I didn't give a disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor, guys. Just a truck driver driving across the country, researching, trading stocks, and I will not be held responsible for any moves you make in the stock market. Not ever. I'm not your mama. But, yeah, Tesla, I think I'm holding on. I mean, I really feel good about, even at 800, I feel good about it. And like I say, I wish I had more to dump in at this 675 and down here, but I just don't have it. And with the that's what I was saying, with the dedicated route, it has changed the way that my pay schedule works. So now when I take time off, I usually take Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday is usually when I do my time off. So now it messes up 2 paychecks instead of just messing up 1 paycheck. So that's kind of put me behind on being able to make deposits. It won't be until not this coming Friday, but the next Friday that I'll be able to make another deposit. So that kind of sucks, because it's been just like the perfect time to buy stuff. And it's why I jumped in on Workhorse. I do feel like that it had overcorrected, as things tend to do when there's bad news like that, and especially one that a lot of the people in it were really holding on for that USPS contract. And like I said in that other video, I never thought they would get the contract, but after that, it's just such a panic sell and a mass sell-off that I feel like it overcorrected. Now, we got earnings coming out on Workhorse. I believe they may already be out, but that could, that could go either way. It could push it up or down. I think it's going to be a minute before it really straightens out and does something different and forgets about that USPS crap. But you never know what could happen. We could get a big spike and I could sell it off real quick. Sure could use some profit taking right now. Yeah, so I'm not going to make it to 10 minutes with this one, guys. We're just going to have to hold on, see what happens. I'm holding. I haven't sold anything through this red day, at least not for a loss, through this correction, at least not for a big loss or anything. I did get rid of a couple of small losses in a long-term account just because I don't want to pay taxes on it. So taking a small loss on something in there to readjust and get some more money to deploy seemed like a good strategy. There were very small losses, but it allowed me to buy some stuff in there when I otherwise wouldn't have been able to during this correction. So yeah, that's where I'm at, guys. I hope you guys have a good day in the market. I hope nobody panic sold and lost a bunch of money during all this. There's some plays that you might have been in that may not come back, but I expect a lot of things to come back over the next few weeks. So yeah, have a good day in the market. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button.